Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you the problems with the tires on these brand new trucks all the way up through 2027. This has been a problem since basically the start of the 4th gen as far as I'm aware. I know it goes back to at least 2013 or 2014, but these dually trucks come misaligned on the front end from the factory, and so what that's going to do is it's going to wear your front tires out really unevenly. So the inside portion of your tire, and I'll throw some pictures up here to where it shows it really distinguishedly, the inside of your tire is not going to wear, the outside's going to wear off quicker, most likely. Easiest way to see this is go and drive on like a white rock road, kind of a gravelly road, get that white rock built into your tires, and then go drive on concrete and wear the dust off. Then you'll be able to see where the dust is left behind. And so you can actually still see it pretty good back here. You can see some white there and some white there. And on the back side, that's because of tire pressure. We'll get to the tire pressure here in a second. For right now, I've got some alignment specs. So these come from Thurn Manufacturing. We're going to go to the alignment shop and we're going to align the trucks to their specs. We're going to look at the front tires afterwards and see what the difference is. So we just got the truck aligned, went and drove down a gravel road. So now you can see we got the white rock residue all over the tires. So now we're going to go drive down the pavement until this wears off. And you can just watch your rear view mirror, watch for your tread to start turning black, and then we'll pull over and we'll diagnose and see if that alignment fixed that inner wearing issue. Okay, so we just drove 3 miles down pavement, and as you can see now, the alignment looks like it did the magic trick. You don't have rock dust anywhere from one shoulder to the next. It's all nice and black and even. So that's the alignment part of things. Now let's talk about tire pressure. So I'm running the Mickey Thompson 255 85 17. So each tire is going to be a little bit different. As you can see here in the rear, you have these little strips of white. So that means this is what's actually touching the ground and wearing. And we have these tires a little bit overinflated if you want to wear the entire width of the tire evenly. That's because I'm getting ready to go pick up a load of parts and I was just towing a trailer, so I have these aired up right now. So I found the best pressure for these in the rear on the dually on this 25 Cummins is about 30 to 33 psi, and then I'm running about 67 on the front. So you can see that 67 on the front, that's getting us our even wear all the way across. And then on the rear, I just air them up if I'm going to be taking a heavy payload or towing a trailer. So the way you figure out the math for your pressure for a starting point, you're going to go on your tire and you're going to find the rated load. So here it says, and you have different loads for single and dual. So single on the front's 3195. So you're going to take 3195 times 2 because you have 2 tires. You're going to go to a scale and you're going to weigh your front end. And these weigh right about 6,000 pounds. So you're going to divide 6,000 or whatever your weight is by the rating on your tires times 2. That's going to give you a percentage. Now you're going to take that percentage, and I'll put the math up here on the screen, and take that percentage, you're going to multiply it into the rated pressure. Our rated pressure is 80 psi. So we multiply that percentage times 80 psi. That's what you get for your pressure. It'll be a little bit different on the rear because now you have 4 tires and we got to use the dual. So now we're using this 2910 number instead of the single 3195. So that's going to get you your starting point. Instead of using rock dust, you can take a piece of sidewalk chalk. Just go get you some yellow sidewalk chalk. It's really easy to see on the black tire. You're just going to draw a nice dark line with that chalk all the way across. And then you're going to go out to a nice big flat open parking lot and you're going to drive in a straight line front and backwards until that chalk wears off, and then you're going to gauge it. And if you still have chalk on your sides, then you know you need to drop some pressure. All right guys, thanks for stopping by for another informative video. The alignment has worked great so far. Finally got my front tires wearing even, so I highly encourage all of you to go get this alignment done. I'll put the PDF link down in the description. If you're buying a new truck, I would highly encourage you to argue with your salesman that the dealership should really be paying to have your truck realigned to proper specifications. So with that, we'll catch you later and hopefully see you in a future video. Thanks.